Step inside a home that feels like spring sunlight turned into architecture, soft, refined, and effortlessly warm. Every room carries the same quiet elegance, and the real magic is how it all feels lived in, not staged. The foyer feels like a gentle welcome home, washed in honey daylight that slips across the oak floor and soft ivory walls. Everything about it feels calm and gracious, from the tall windows to the antique details that seem gathered over time. It has that quiet, old-world charm that makes you slow down the moment you step inside, as if the house is already inviting you to stay a little longer. The living room feels warm in the most effortless way, like a place meant for long conversations and unhurried afternoons. Sunlight catches the linen, the wood, and the soft textures, making everything glow without ever feeling flashy. It carries that relaxed elegance you only find in homes that have been thoughtfully lived in, where every corner feels balanced, familiar, and quietly beautiful. This family room has the kind of comfort that makes you want to sink in and stay a while. The daylight is soft and generous, drifting across the same warm flooring and pale walls, giving the whole room a calm spring freshness. It feels intimate without being crowded, polished without losing its ease. You can almost hear the hush of a peaceful afternoon settling into the space. The dining room feels like a beautifully composed moment, full of quiet warmth and lingering daylight. The soft beige tones and refined details make it feel formal in spirit, but never stiff. It is the kind of room where every meal would feel special, not because it tries too hard, but because the atmosphere already carries a sense of grace, gathering, and easy old-world charm. The kitchen feels bright, comforting, and lived in, with sunlight moving across the surfaces in a way that makes everything seem freshly touched by morning. It has that perfect balance of beauty and usefulness, where the quiet elegance of the space never gets in the way of feeling at home. You can imagine coffee brewing here, windows open, and the whole room filled with an easy sense of everyday calm. The breakfast room feels especially lovely in the morning, almost like the house is waking up with you. Soft daylight fills the nook and gives everything a fresh, gentle glow, while the warm palette keeps it grounded and cozy. It has the charm of a slow Sunday breakfast, with a sense of ease that makes simple moments feel meaningful, beautiful, and completely unhurried. The bedroom feels like a soft exhale at the end of the day, quiet and beautifully composed. Morning light drifts through the tall windows and lands on the linens in a way that makes the whole room feel calm, restorative, and slightly romantic. It carries the feeling of a private retreat, where everything is softened by texture, warmth, and the kind of elegance that never needs attention. The home office feels thoughtful and serene, the sort of room that makes work feel more grounded and more personal. Sunlight opens the space beautifully, warming the wood and paper tones while keeping the atmosphere clear and bright. It has a quiet scholarly charm, but it never feels severe. Instead, it feels like a place where ideas settle easily and time slows down just enough to breathe. This is the beauty of restraint done well. Nothing shouts, yet everything lingers. When color, light, and texture stay in harmony, a house stops feeling decorated and starts feeling deeply, beautifully calm.